Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, you know that Marcia has been having problems with these people that are trolling her. And so she said that there's a lady out there that's calling her phone like every single minute, basically on different numbers, well, from an unknown calling and also unknown numbers. And the lady's just calling her all bitch, all kind of different stuff. And Marcia is saying that basically she's not into that. Well, she's saying that the lady's saying that she should have hurt her when she saw her last. And she saw her when she went to buy her sheets and stuff like that. So Marcia is talking about that, and she's saying that basically, anyone can go out and make a business of their own. So when the lady is saying that she is going to start selling sheets, it's okay. Go and buy the sheets and sell it on your own, Marcia says, because everybody needs to be doing something. So friends, go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.
It's not going to work. That is exactly what my friend said. Our friend Marcia and some other people is because they want to know. Because them see me in the darkness. Because they want to know exactly what happened, where me is, and they want to see me. Because today me used to me. I show them all kind of something. So that is it. They want to know. The girl call me number. And she a call. And she a call. And she a call. You dirty bitch and dick and dark and homeless bitch. I'm like, motherfucker, me well, nice and comfortable. Bright. And out of order. Me at the store. Huh? Me don't know the reason. Not yet. That better do. I don't know. I yet that's all we can say. When I plank up people them. When I plank up people them. But not know the reason. I'm say. I don't know. A lot of them are obsessed with me out there. Them obsessed. All me sheet here cause I make merchandise them. Now she going to go sell it too. And watch if she not go sell it too. I'm not gonna ask good and cow fat. I may sell it for high price and I got me pay for it. I'm like, then how am I supposed to make profit? Huh? Yeah, it's the same price I buy myself for. And she see me at the place and she could have given me a bitch licking on my back, in my head. I'm like, bitch, you should have. You should have. Yes, that's what she said. And she calling me all kind of no caller ID. And then she called me on a whole heap of phone. Leave a message. That's all. Cause shipping over. Anybody when I have anything for to ship out, me ship out the I ship out the blue. I ship out the blue blanket. And hold on there. Come in, I want to get this. I ship out the blue blanket. And me ship out and I have the quilt. I'm supposed to ship today, but the box was too small. I went to the store to get in some salt to put in the bathtub, but I can't find none. So I have to go look it. So I have to go either Walmart, yeah, more of a Walmart, yeah, to end some salt. I went to Burlington, yeah. But through Burlington, I have the one them with the lavender scent. Yes, so I buy the bubble bath. And so I just need in some salt. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see if I get some, and then I order it from Amazon. Amazon have them. Yeah. Because, you know, make a set stillness was a what. Well, I mean, it kind of work a little bit. But I them say put in some salt in there. So let's see how it works. And then today I'm going to lift up the heavy bag them now. It was kind of feeling better. And then when we lift up the heavy bag now, it start burn out. So basically, it's like it's irritated. It's inflamed. That's what it is. Huh? Yeah. So it was kind of feeling a little better. But then after we lift up the 10-pound sheets. And they sit them and I carry them in. That's where they start. Come back down again. Yeah. But when if you give me a little massage, then it's be fine. It'll get a little better. I mean, I forgot to make you like let me tell you, so if you stand up, take your feet not too hard now, you know. Not too hard. I'm lying on the floor. And you take your feet and then you push it in like cause me do it all the time and it does work. Like I used to make my friend daughter come do it. Live at Queens. And she push it in. Like you take your back. It work. It's kind of like a push it back and then it's like I don't know, but for some reason when you do that part, when you take your foot and you just push it in. Like take it and just press it in lightly, you know. Not heavy, because you have a broken back, you no problem. And you don't want the back broken right now. Our dog gonna mess up. So that is the thing. So anybody calling me, if you see any videos on social media, remember say me have the purple blanket left. I have that. I may have like 3 more quilts left. Yeah, come. I may have some sheets and some stuff left. I remember some have kitchen curtain, and anybody want any blankets to order? I'm making orders because people call for order. So I have to get some orders, some more orders to order the blankets. So anybody want that for order, you can order it. So I can put it on the list. So when the man ship it, then can ship it one time. That's how we say cheap and clean, say. It's just simple as that. No eater around here. You're jealous? Go get your own business. Nobody stop now on the bitches. To get no one business, go sell when I want to sell 1 by 1, 2 by 2. We don't cater who will sell millions of dollars. Make them stay with the $1 million. Make sure so them Ross happy. Make sure so them happy with it. And make sure so them are spending upon themselves. And I live them life. Because you can't make money and you can't show up on you. Else something wrong. Yeah. Not even like a big club. Me see them go out for dinner. Business resume tomorrow. What time now? Yeah. Go and get to know one or something about the business. Who do you know? You see people I don't want to come interfere with people's life. You know, should I lucky say me sure know what life is all about. Nobody on social media not giving on get a my page is called Reality Show of Marcia Life. Me give you everything. Everything. I give you every damn thing where me can possibly give you. And you go mess up it. I make me lovely supporters. They want me lovely supporters when the right time come. And me set up what I'm supposed to set up. I have in the room we're set up properly. And me just stay one place. Nobody not seen in my place again. No living room, nothing for they come bright up themselves. So if any roach in, they make your roach tan. If any rat in, they make your rat tan right there. Make it stay right there. Any roach and rat, you know, see can name them. That's all. That is it. Nobody don't tell you say, you can't go walk and pay 100 and 200 and go buy one cocoa full basket. I started out in the corona with 18 sheets. I went on the street and I decided to go back on nursing work. And I went on the street to go look something for a sell. And I saw this guy with some sheets. And me not buy like couple like a dozen, like couple when I me look me could afford it because me have money for me at the time. I remember saying the time that we get workers' compensation, we get $900 a week. Over $1,000, $1,200. We not get that plus $1,300 extra. So me have money for me every Friday that coming out paycheck. in our bank account. So I went to invest my money. You understand? I buy 18. I'm a come me call cause no, I know year me supposed to sell them, you know. At Jamaica, the family acquaintances. Me not call them a friend, cause them stop me in the back. And me and them almost grew up together and guys same school. So me not call them no fucking friend. Me I call them acquaintances now. They become my acquaintances. Because me and them people come from the same district. We were very close, talk every freaking night and day. And she said to me, say, Marcia, me I sell at Jamaica. Come send some stuff to Jamaica go sell. So through me up on social media now, and a year me supposed to sell at Jamaica. But thank God, I started selling here. So I went on the street to go get stuff where she sent me. One spot where she sent me go buy stuff. So while I was coming from my doctor, I saw this guy in a one white Mercedes-Benz truck. One brown skin guy. And me see him and me see him stop right at Merritt Boulevard. And me see the pretty sheet them. I never saw those sheets in my life. I remember saying I live and New York. I never see them. And I say, wow, them a sheet are pretty. Me never see them before. Never. Cause me always got, me never buy sheet per road. Me always buy sheet at Jamaica, Macy's and Burlington and them place there. Never buy sheet pan no road. Or no way. And the guy, me go to him and me say, sell me some of them sheet, and him start to tell me how much is them and me buy it. And me say, how me I can reach home? I say, me will drop you home. And me buy it from him. And me say, all right then. Me will come on Facebook. Come me on Facebook. Or something telling you how me started. You remember? You remember the day? Exactly. And me I show them and in the corona and me reach home. And me go up on live and me say, people, me have some sheet to sell, and me I say how much for them, and me start. And me call Bishop Morgan. And me say, Bishop Morgan, I'm going to sell some sheets. Me ask him to pray for them for me. Pray over them for me. And Bishop Morgan pray over them. Me call him on the phone and me send a message on WhatsApp. And he call back and he pray over them. Right? And I said to myself, so the first money me make, I am going to give it to donation to the church. And one girl called me from Nantucket. She has become one of my best. She haven't bought anything in a long time, but during the corona and certain time, she spent $100 with me. Her house is full with my stuff. Right? And she called and she ordered $140 worth of sheet from me. I think at the time there was about 4 sheets. Right? And me say, and I call Bishop Morgan, and I say, Bishop Morgan, I am donating this, me sell the first money, and I'm sowing a seed in the church. And Bishop Morgan said, wow, you not keep none for yourself? Me say, no, I am sowing all of it. All of it, I'm sowing in the church. Him said, that is so noble of you. Right? That's what he said to me. And I sold the $140. I came on live the night and I sold off everything. I called back the guy and I buy 40 sheet from him. You understand? I call him back and I bought 40 sheet from him and he gave me for the price, right? I sold those off. And then I went up to one store and I said, all right then. Then half time I start buy it. I say, but wait, if me I buy it from him for them the price there, me I go check and see which part me get them for myself. So knowing Marcia with our brain now, me start search. I me look for certain things and me say, all right, so and so and so. And me find the supplier. Just like that. And me call the supplier and tell me which part them there. And the guy called me back and I said, Marcia, can tell me see how Europe them come from. And they don't take, and he call me and say, Master, me have some bashment quilt, me have some bashment this and me bashment that. And he force me. Him no know so me find it. Cause me search for myself. I never ask nobody nothing. I just use my brain and I just find it. Cause me a woman and so me stay. And when he call me, I say, it's okay, man, I don't want nothing. Cause he lick him finger off of me, you know. You understand? He lick him finger off of me. So it's like he must say, yes, me find one fool. Me will continue to buy the sheet them for them the price there. You understand? So God make it be like me find them for myself. And then I go up the road and there was a store up there. And when I go up there, I see them sell a beautiful house dress them. When me never wear. When me did have before, I say, shit, look at them are beautiful. And I start come and start put them out and the dress them start sell. You know, come here sell them like that and the dress them start sell. And from there, so I see the beautiful wall decor. The 4 pieces when me did have on bedded. I start bring them in. I start sell that. And from there so to other things. So those are my best seller, the sheets, the wall decor, and the African looking dress. Those were my my seller. And history was made with Cheap and Clean. And I called the guy next door who is he's a tax guy and a lawyer at some big something. And I called him and I said, I'm taking up my business. And he fill out the paperwork for me. I tell him what my name of the business. I gave him $200 and something. Himself he file the paperwork and everything, and he took it to the courthouse for me, and him get everything.